So I had some live chicken in my garden, so I decided to make um grilled chicken breast and white rice. So what I did was I peeled fresh ginger, garlic, and fresh turmeric, and I pounded it in my small mortar. I pounded it to paste. Then I did the same thing to the turmeric. Yeah. So the chicken, I cleaned it well and removed the feathers, dressed it, then cut out the chest gently, sliced some onions, then I washed some tomatoes, baby tomatoes. Added fresh pepper and grinded it into paste. So yeah, here we go. Inside the pepper paste, the tomato and pepper paste, I can see it. I added the ginger paste, turmeric paste, ginger powder, and I gave it a mix. Some curry and thyme spices, some cooking oil, some salt, and lastly 2 cubes of chicken seasoning. Then after mixing, so I set the table for the chicken breast and I had to cut it. The cutting will allow the pepper mix to marinate and penetrate inside the chicken, fresh chicken breast. And with my hands, I massage the pepper mix inside, ensuring that it touches the deeper parts of the chicken. covered with nylon wrapper and let's sit for 40 minutes to marinate. So afterwards, I have parboiled rice already. Pour clean water inside the cooking pot and allow it to boil. So after boiling the water, I added the parboiled rice and let's sizzle some salt. Some cooking oil. Chopped onions and about 4 to 3 spoonfuls of pepper mix. Yeah, that is going to give it some flavor. So what I did, I covered it and allowed it to boil for 30 minutes, 20 to 30 minutes. And in a saucepan, I added some cooking oil, chopped onions, left it to fry for 2 seconds, 2-3 seconds. Then added the pepper tomato mix. After adding the pepper tomato mix, then I added the seasoning, ginger powder. Firstly, ginger powder, some seasoning, salt, curry, and thyme paste. So while I was doing this, I already set my grill to medium heat. I used a charcoal grill actually. So while I was on this, I already had the chicken on the grill and let the stew to fry. Yeah, also at this point, the rice is ready. So I kept it aside. So you can see the sauce is well fried. How you know if your stew is well fried is the oil. The oil must be on top. Once the oil starts coming out, then you're good to go. So what I did, I took it down from the heat and pour it in the serving bowl, sauce bowl. So I went ahead to dish the rice. decorated it, and this one with the chicken breast, I seasoned some sesame seed, and I am going to give it a try just to show you how soft and well grilled it is. Yeah, cutting the chicken breast was so easy and soft. You can see how juicy it is looking already. Like the sauce penetrated inside. Like it's tastes so yummy. So let me have a little bite of the rice too.
Let's go. Lagos loves teaching. We are all made of the freshest. And for the eldest, Lagos loves teaching. We are all made of the freshest. And for the eldest,
Wow.
Lagos
Wow,
loves
it tastes so good,
we are from the
flavorful,
freshest. Always for
and
the
it's really
eldest.
nice.
Lagos
So thank you guys for watching,
we are
and
all
please don't forget
made
to
of the
keep watching
freshest.
Lagos Vlogs
And for the eldest.
video channel and subscribe. Bye.